Komal Vachhani, and I visited Ojas Eye Hospital to get a second opinion for my cataract surgery of the right eye. Since my left eye was already operated, so I thought the right eye I would take a second opinion. And I met the counselor Krupa. So she helped me through the whole process beautifully and cleared all my doubts. And I was so convinced that I immediately thought that the surgery should be done over here at Dr. Dedia's clinic. Then I met Dr. Dedia himself, and he gave me a wonderful opinion and told me everything about the lens. And I firmly decided that I would do my surgery right here. And the surgery was done after 3 days, and I feel very comfortable and wonderful. I just feel I am operating with a natural eye and there is no surgery done at all. My comfort level is amazing. Thanks to Dr. Dedia and his team. The entire team is very supportive and very, very helpful. It gives me a lot of comfort coming here, and my visits have also been wonderful. Thanks Ojas Clinic for this support.